If you have decided to take a shot at painting your own ceilings, a paint roller is the best tool to start with because it is not as expensive as a sprayer and is faster than a paintbrush. However, there are certain features that you need to get right. The roller should have a long handle, a wide sleeve and a medium thick nap, about 3/8 inches, so that it can press and paint evenly across the surface. Today we are going to review top 5 paint roller for ceilings, and we are going to start our list with GaChange Paint Roller Brush Kit. GaChange's paint roller is very similar to Kupu's kit, coming as a 9-piece kit with a paint runner and flocked edger as part of it. These two are fitted with a superfine flock material that is washable, reusable and does not degrade easily over time. Additionally, all the components in the kit have been strictly tested for safety and durability, which means they are very reliable. All you have to do is to wash, dry then store them in a cool and dry place after use. Other features include a 900 ml storage reservoir, about 30 fluid ounces, which is very large, and 3 threaded extension pawls that can be joined together to make a 30.7-inch handle for painting high ceilings. The only problem is that refiling this roller is quite cumbersome because you must open a cover on the side to pour in the paint. And as always, the link is in the description below. Coming as a 9-piece kit, Kupu's paint roller set stands out because it contains very handy tools. These include a drip-free roller with a tank reservoir in the middle, a flocked edger and 3 threaded poles that can be joined together to extend the roller to 37.5 inches and edger to 41.5 inches. Also included in this set is a corner pad, an easy pour jug, a paintbrush and a resting tray for placing the roller when not in use. Other features include a microfiber roller fabric that releases the paint evenly and an easy-to-clean design after use. On the downside, the roller has quite a narrow sleeve, 7.8 inches, which means you get narrow coverage on every pass. Next up in the list is Wagner Spraytech 05300004. This one is battery powered, requiring 4 AA batteries, which are included in the set. That said, the roller's handle houses a 22 fluid ounces paint reservoir that holds enough paint to cover up to 70 square feet when full. While housing quite a large reservoir, the handle is also very long, coming in at 96 inches. This gives you enough length to reach high ceilings without requiring a ladder. Paint from this reservoir is automatically fed to the roller and a quick touch motor control is included for smooth feeding. You also get a manual setting for manually pushing paint to feed the roller just in case the batteries run out. Other features include an ergonomic handle for comfortable use and an easy fill valve that draws paint from the bucket for mess-free use. However, this roller is limited to coating only water and oil-based paints. Again, the link is in the description. If you are on a tight budget, Shurlines 8500 is an affordable paint roller that you need to check out. The product actually comes as a 9-piece set containing 2 9-inch rollers, an 11-inch extension pole, a touch-up and trim roller, a metal tray, a tray liner, a trim brush, and a foam brush. In general, the set is very versatile because it can be used to apply any kind of paint and you get all the tools required for an entire project in a single pack. Other features include a 7/16 of an inch nap of fabric that is thermally fused to the core, and this allows the rollers to rotate smoothly while maintaining a high level of durability. On the downside, this product lacks automatic feeding, which means you have to fill the tray then dip the roller before application. Also, the roller handle is quite short and therefore, a ladder is required to reach high ceilings. The best one in the list is Wagner Spraytech 05300010. Which is the best overall paint roller for this job due to a number of reasons. For starters, the unit has auto feed control on the handle that ensures you get continuous paint flow for quick coverage. Paint is pumped via a direct feed delivery system, which eliminates manual paint feeding, while a click attach arm with a flexible intake hose fits on any 1 to 5 gallon paint bucket. This makes it easy to use because no refills are required as you paint. You also get a 16-foot hose for delivering paint to the 9 by 3/8 inch roller, and this enables you to cover up to 32 feet while the bucket is stationary. Other features include a threaded pole for extending the reach of the roller to get to high ceilings and easy 10-minute cleanup. However, this roller is only designed to use with oil and latex-based paints and it is very expensive. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button blue. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.